Hi guys, I'm doing a quick food crawl in Shibuya and I'm going to show you 3 restaurants that I visited. Please subscribe and click on the bell. We're on our way to the airport. We're dropping Ivy off though first. So yeah, talk to you guys later. I took Japan Airlines that flew from Manila to Narita. The flight is about 4.5 hours, with Japan being an hour ahead. On this flight they served one meal. Here they served some type of egg omelet with a side of radish, a spinach salad, fruit, ice cream, cookies, noodles, and teriyaki chicken with rice. The rice was pretty good, but the chicken was not good at all. I think it was mainly batter soaked with the teriyaki sauce. The highlight was my dessert, cookies and ice cream. When I finally landed, I took the Narita Express train to Shibuya, which is about 1.5 hours away. Alright, here's my room. Pretty small. And there's the bathroom. I'm finally here, so I'm going to get settled and try to get something to eat. First stop is Doma. I totally recommend downloading a translator app so you will be able to read the menu just like I did. Pretty cool, right? I ordered the steak with truffle and gravy over potatoes. I love the steak and the truffle. However, the gravy was a bit much. I also ordered a Wagyu steak, which was served on a hot plate. It was so tender and juicy, so good. And I also ordered a side of fresh sashimi, which was so good you can taste the natural flavors of the fish. Next on the list is Ichiran. When you enter, you place your order in the vending machine, take your ticket, and sit in your own private booth. Okay, made it to Ichiran. This is how you guys order your ramen. They give you a menu where you circle your preferences, then you leave the menu for the chef to collect. We are seated in a personal booth, and what they do is they bring the ramen to you. It took me a while to find this place, but it's worth it, I hope. The chef grabs your ticket and menu and closes the blinds. Once your order is ready, the blinds are lifted and you get a delicious bowl of ramen.
お待たせしました。それでは失礼いたします。
I ordered the spicy ramen with egg and pork, and hands down this ramen was excellent. Alright you guys, hopefully you can see me now. It's time to try our ramen. Oh my god, it's so good. It's really rich. It's really porky. The noodles are small, like angel hair pasta. Last stop is Nana's in Shibuya Market City. Unfortunately, they were only serving lunch. I love the way the food was presented to me. I ordered a fresh fish over rice bowl, which came with spinach, mushroom, miso soup, tofu, and some other stuff. The food was incredible. And this concludes the end of my 3 meals in a day. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you on the next one. Bye! Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon so you are notified each time I post a new video.